How to upload files to a shared Google Drive link. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open where your friend sends you the link. Then, hold on to the link and press on copy at the bottom. After you've clicked on copy, open Chrome or any browser, then paste the link. Such it will lead you to the Drive page. Now, you won't be able to add anything here. So what you need to do is click on the three dots at the top right, scroll down, click on desktop site. After it's in the desktop mode, click on new at the top left corner of your screen. Click on file upload. Select media picker or photo. Then add what you want to add. And after that, it will be uploaded to the shared Google Drive. This is how to upload files to a shared Google Drive link. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.